I eat a lot of bacon and I had a lot of bacon grease left. So I've been watching some videos about making candles with this grease. So I decided to make me a couple. So I'm gonna walk you through the process that I use. You see this little container I got? It's got a strainer on it. You want to strain that so you can just have the liquid and not all the other little bits and pieces. And you get this on in the link below, or just go to my Amazon storefront and purchase one of these, or anything that I'm showing in this video. You can go to Amazon on my affiliate link and purchase. So I strained that, and I went and bought some of these wicks here, and I was looking for a little super glue, but I couldn't find anything. So I just got some double-sided tape so I can stick this at the bottom of these containers so it can stand up straight. It's just a little piece. You don't have to do that. You can just stick it in there the best way you can and try to keep it straight. So I'm gonna take this grease here. Some people call it bacon fat. I call it bacon grease. And I'm gonna go ahead and pour it. And I'm gonna pour it to almost till I get to the top. Once you got enough, I'm gonna put a little bit more. I'm gonna get a little ruler. I got a little metal ruler, or you can take some sticks and just try to keep this straight. And I'm gonna go ahead and do the other one the same way. I'm gonna do it the same way. And I've been watching these videos. I wanted to test this out, and I'm gonna give you guys my honest opinion about this. See what it smelled like, how long it burned, and all that. So we're gonna go ahead and fill this one up. And you can get these containers and stuff offline in the links below, or on my Amazon storefront. Just look in the drop down or look in the description. You see that one fell over. Like I said, if I had a little super glue, I would have glued it at the bottom, but I didn't. So I'm gonna take two of the little sticks I got and make a little X and let it stand up. And what I did once I finished this process right here, I took these and put it in the refrigerator, and about 2 hours later it was solid. So you see how I got these standing up at a 90 degrees angle. Then I took them in the refrigerator. 2 hours later I got them out. You see it's solid there. Or you can just leave them overnight, let them sit overnight. So we're gonna go ahead and cut these stems, and we're gonna light this and see what happened. So just take some scissors and cut the stem. I probably cut that one a little shorter, but you can cut them longer. It doesn't matter. So once I cut my wicks off to the length I wanted, I got my lighter, I lit it. I'm gonna go ahead and light the other one also. And we're gonna let this burn and see how long it'll burn for. So you see it's all lit. Everything looks good so far. Maybe this is the way to go. I read a comment on one of these YouTube videos. One guy said he drank his bacon juice, and then he said he's got to go get a heart transplant or bypass the next day. But anyway, this is 2 hours later, and it almost went out. So I don't think it's gonna work for me. This bacon grease, it don't evaporate, and this is with the lights off, and this is what it looked like. And about 10 minutes later it finally went out, but I didn't get any of the smell. I didn't smell any bacon or anything, so I don't think this is for me. But anyway, if you want to purchase any of these things that you've seen in my video, go down there in the description or look in the drop down. I think this is the right side. The camera is reversed, or I'm gonna leave it here on the end screen. You can visit my Amazon affiliate store, and I get a small commission if you go through my link. It doesn't cost you a penny. It doesn't cost me a penny. And even when I go and buy things off Amazon, I go to YouTube and try to find another YouTuber or somebody that has affiliate links so I can go through so they can get the commission. So it's that simple. It's not costing you anything. So if you can go to my store, like I said, I'm gonna leave a drop down, or it's in the description, or the show here on the screen. And again, thanks for watching. Subscribe to my channel and have a great day.